Seoul's finance ministry says exports and manufacturing production are tangibly on track, but spending and construction investment are lagging behind. Shin Ha-young with the details.
South Korea's economy is continuing its recovery momentum with strong manufacturing production and exports. That's according to the Economic Green Book released by the Finance Ministry on Friday. The ministry's description of the country's economy has changed to recovery momentum is continuing from the previous reports, signs of recovery are expanding. This is mainly due to a rebound in exports and manufacturing production.
Exports continue to rise, and in mining and manufacturing production, there have been consecutive increases for the last 3 quarters. With these factors, the economic recovery momentum has strengthened further.
In December, production in mining and manufacturing went up by over 6% from the year before, driven by chip sector, which saw a jump of over 50% in output on rising demand. The country's exports continued to increase for the 4th consecutive month in January. There was an on-year increase of 18% in exports last month as demand for semiconductors continued to improve and shipments to China grew for the first time in 20 months. However, the ministry pointed out that the pace of recovery differs across sectors, with signs of sluggish private consumption and stagnant construction investment becoming more evident. In December, retail sales, a key gauge of private spending, dropped 0.8% from the previous month. Construction investment fell 2.7% on month and over 1% on year. There are rising expectations for a recovery in the IT industry and soft landing for the global economy. However, it evaluated that uncertainties still remain due to geopolitical risks like the war in Ukraine and the outbreak of conflict in the Middle East. In response, the government plans to continue to manage potential risks while also focusing on improving people's livelihoods by implementing key policy tasks identified during livelihood policy discussion with citizens. Shin Ha-young, Arirang News.